Hey there friends! It's Meliz from Liz and Meliz, and today I am unboxing the Allure 2020 September box. I said that wrong. I'm unboxing the Allure September 2020 box. Okay, so I've been a longtime subscriber of the Allure beauty boxes, and I mean, as a fan of subscription boxes, I think these are one of the best boxes that you can get for the money that you're paying. That totally fell out of the package. Okay, so these are usually only $16. However, I did receive an email saying that they're going to change their prices soon. I think they're gonna price them a little bit higher, but you will get more full-size products. So I'm excited to see those. This is still the regular $16 box. So maybe when the new box comes out, the higher price one, I'll make another video about that. But for now, let's get into this one. Ta-da! Ooh. Well, one of the first things that I saw was the Wander mascara, Wander Beauty mascara. How do people do this? Is this how they do this? Is this how they do it? This must be how they do it. I don't think it's working though. I'm literally asking and answering my own questions. I love mascara. Let's try it on. Oh, it has like one of those like curved volume brushes. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Does it give us voluminous and curled lashes? I kind of like how this doesn't clump my eyelashes together. Whoa! I'm a different girl. I'm a different girl now. No, I'm just kidding. And you know what? It doesn't feel super heavy either. Well, I kind of like how it gave me this sort of tight-lined look too. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, let's do some sunscreen because life is no good unless you have some sunscreen. There you go. Focus. Okay. Okay, so this is the La Roche-Posay. If you know how to properly say it, go ahead and leave it in the comments, right? This is a face sunblock with 50 SPF. I live on SPF. That's literally like the only thing that I'm wearing. Okay, well that and concealer. But that is like my foundation. Sunblock is like my foundation. Oh, and it's also an Allure Beauty winner, so you know for sure that I'm going to try this out. This is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid, and it blends in on all skin tones while giving you that broad spectrum protection and other awesome things. Ooh, I was kind of excited when I saw this one. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Oh, and I think it might have melted in the package. It's been really hot in California, so it might have melted, but I do want to feel a little bit. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like it has those like aromatherapy oils or something. Ooh, okay, let me see. What does it say about it in our pamphlet? Hydrating algae and shea butter. Oh. From a balm, it turns into an oil once you massage it in between your fingertips, and then you can use that and massage it all over your face. With the water, the balm transforms into a milky cleanser, and you can watch your makeup melt away. Ooh, another thing I'm excited for, brushes. See, this is what is really cool with the Allure Beauty box, is that you get full-size products. So, aside from this brush, this mascara is also the full size, and I actually checked it out on Google, and this is the full size tube, and this costs, let me see, $24. I mean, that costs more than than what I paid for the beauty box. This one, the brush, the NYX Professional Makeup Brush, the contour brush, excuse me, this costs $14. So I mean, you totally get the value, like your money's worth, you know? Okay, so this is their Pro Contour Brush. I actually have a few of the NYX brushes, and I'm a fan because it's super soft. And yeah, it's so soft. Yeah, this is a good brush. See, this doesn't feel like it's going to leave streaks on your makeup. I don't think it should. Just because the bristles are like super super soft. If I say soft one more time, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's what it is. So it has a flat top, which gives you enough surface area to buff and blend out the pigment. But it works great on the sides of your nose because it is a little smaller. It's a little bit, it's a more like compact brush, I guess. It's a skinnier brush with a skinnier head. So you can use it for the sides. Oh, you can use it on your cheekbones too, or down here, wherever you contour. Okay, what's next? Ooh, Dry Conditioner Instant Mousse by Waterless. Let's see. There isn't a section about this thing in the booklet, so let's just read what it is. So it is, it's meant to condition dry hair and it will help you control your frizz. So instead of reading it, how about we try it? Oh, you know what I like already? It's paraben free and sulfate free. I'll spray onto ends and brush through. Oh, I don't have a brush. Do I have to get a brush? Oh, you have to unlock it first. Got it. Oh, it's like air. But it smells good. It's air that smells good. That's so interesting. Okay, does my hair look hydrated? You're supposed to brush it through, right? Does it look okay? Are we all right? Compared to the other side, whoa, actually, yeah. It does look less frizzy. Okay, so let's try this side. Oh, whoa. Hey, it does work. It works, Mom.
Huh?
It works. This instant moisture dry conditioning thing.
Are you recording?
I am recording. My mom's back there.
What? It works?
It works.
Really, it works?
It works and it smells nice too.
Oh, it's nice.
The mask
Okay, what brand is this?
is waterless.
Ah. I like that. From Allure?
From Allure. She's our guest for today. Now that I have nice hair. Milk tea break. Okay, we've got an eyeliner. Let me see. I don't know if this is the full size. I mean, this is kind of like a good size though, but it does say the full size is $18. I feel like this looks like about right. Okay, so, ooh, I'm kind of a fan of colored eyeliners. I just don't know why I always end up sticking with brown. I think it's just because it's more like the, for sure I know this is going to look okay on my face color. But I mean, I actually, like when I walk into Sephora, I love trying out the different colored eyeliners. So, oh, this is a nice purple. It's not like a light purple, it is a more like evening kind of purple. Let me see. Oh wow, this is like really smooth to write on. Can you see it? I can see it. Let's try it. So I'm a tight line fan. I really like to tight line my eyes because again, it's like the for sure I'm going to look okay with the look. Plus wing eyeliner just kind of stresses me out a little bit, but you know. Okay. All right, can you see it? It's very subtle, but the purple is there. It's kind of just like a, let me make your eyes pop, but let's do it in a subtle way look. I think that's the look that this eyeliner gives you. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, anyway, last but not the least, we have a face mask. I am all for a face mask, a sheet mask. This is the Glam Up Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask. Ooh, and this says that it is perfect for dehydrated skin. I do have dry skin, so you know that I'm definitely going to try this out. This says it's a good moisturizing product that uses aloe and hyaluronic acid serums. I love hyaluronic acid. If I could drink hyaluronic acid, I probably would have done it already. But instead, I will just use it in my sheet mask. So I'm excited to try this for dry skin that's infused. So it says it's infused with aloe leaf extract and allotonin, which help hydrate and soothe. Sounds like a deal to me. Well, that brings us to the end of this unboxing vlog. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. So basically, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed it. I love unboxing. I do more unboxing things actually on our Instagram, which is at LizandMelizCali. Hope to see you there too. But yeah, maybe I'll unbox the October one because I think next month they're supposed to release like the higher priced ones, which are supposed to come with more full-size products. And I'm honestly super happy with a full-size mascara and a full-size brush. So I'm really looking forward to see what they'll include in their new box. I really hope to see you in that video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Peace, 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 peace.